Hello students, today we will be studying numericals based on Newton's second law of motion. So let us start. First numerical, a body is there whose mass is 5 kg, thus moving with a velocity of 2 meter per second. We have to calculate its linear momentum. Linear momentum, as we are knowing the formula, linear momentum is what? Mass into velocity. Mass is already been given, that is 5 kg, and velocity is 2. So linear momentum can be calculated by this formula, that is m into v. So we'll be getting the answer as 10 kg meter per second. Next one, a force is there of 15 Newton which is acted on a body, and body's mass is 2 kg. We have to find out acceleration produced. We are knowing the formula, that is F is equals to m into a, force into is equals to mass into acceleration. Over here we have to find acceleration. So acceleration can be written as F upon m. So acceleration A is equals to 15 upon 2, that will be 7.5 meter per second square. Now fifth one, we have to calculate the magnitude of the force which is applied on a body. Magnitude of force which is applied on a body, actually we have to calculate force over here, which is applied on a body of mass 0.5 kg and produces an acceleration of 5 meter per second square. So mass is 0.5, acceleration is 5 meter per second. So F is equals to m into a, mass into acceleration. Mass is 0.5 and acceleration is 5. So 0.5 into 5, we will be getting the answer as 2.5 Newton. This sum is having two parts. So let us read out first of all. A force is there. Force acts for 10 seconds on a stationary body. A body is there which is stationary. A force which is acting on that body for 10 seconds. That body's mass is 100 kg. After which the force ceases to act, means force stops to act. Whenever that force is being acted, due to that what happens, a body moves through a distance of 100 meter. A body has moved to a distance of 100 meter in next 5 seconds. So first of all we have to calculate velocity acquired by the body due to application of the force. We are knowing the velocity is displacement upon time. So by what distance it has been displaced? It has displaced by a distance of 100 meter and in the time span of 5 seconds. So velocity is distance moved upon time taken, that is 100 upon 5. So it will be 20 meter per second. This is the second part of it. We have to find out acceleration now. So we will be using Newton's third equation of motion, that is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Over here we have to find acceleration. Displacement we are knowing, and over here vehicle was starting from rest. As vehicle was starting from rest, u is equal to 0, okay, and v value we have already found it in the previous solution, okay. So a is equals to excuse me, v square minus u square upon 2s. So v is what? 20 square minus 0 upon 2 into 100. So we will be getting the answer as, after solving, a is equals to 2 meter per second square. Force also we can find out. F is equals to m into a. Acceleration is 2 Newton, we have got it from here, and force which has been applied, that is 100, mass is 100. So 100 into 2, we will be getting the answer as 200. Next one, a force acts on for 0.1 second on a body of mass 2 kg. A force is there which is acting for 0.1 second on a body, and a body's mass is 2 kg, which is initially at rest. As this body is initially at rest, so u is equals to 0. We have to find magnitude of the force. So first of all what we'll be doing, we'll be writing the given one. What is given over here? Mass has been given, sorry, Okay, mass has been given as 2 kg. Initial velocity as the vehicle was starting from rest, u is equals to 0. Final velocity is equals to 2 meter per second. And time span, force has been applied, that is 0.1 second. Acceleration, a is equals to v minus u upon t. V is what? 2, u is 0, and time span is 0.1. So it is 2 upon 0.1. After solving, you will be getting 2 meter per second square. We have to find out force. Force is what? Mass into acceleration. So mass is what? 2 and acceleration is 20. So it will be 2 into 20, that will be 40 Newton. Next one, a car is there of mass 450 kg which is moving at a speed of 54 km per hour, is stopped by an applying brakes in 10 seconds. We have to calculate force again. Okay, now this is a different type of sum. Mass has been given, that is 480 meter kg, 480 kg, which is already moving with a speed of 54 km per hour. Already moving means what? 54 km per hour is the initial speed, and it is stopped by applying brakes. Means v over here, v will be equal to 0. Final velocity is equal to 0. Initial velocity is 54 km per hour. You have to calculate 54 km per hour into meter per second by multiplying 5 upon 18. After multiplying, you will be getting the answer as 15 meter per second. So again, a is equal to v minus u upon t, but over here v is equal to 0. So it will be 0 minus 15 upon 10. So you will be getting the answer as minus 1.5 meter per second square. For finding the force, we will be neglecting the negative sign. We are knowing the formula F is equal to m into a. So mass is what? 480 and acceleration is what? 1.5. After calculating, we will be getting the answer, that is 720 Newton. Next one, a force causes an acceleration of 10 meter per second square in a body of mass 500 gram. What acceleration will be caused by the same force in a body of 5 kg? Okay, a body is there whose mass is 500 gram. A force acts on it which causes it to accelerate by 10 meter per second. We have to find out its acceleration. Okay, acceleration is 10 meter per second given. First one, mass has been given in 500 gram, so we have to convert gram into kg. So we will be dividing by 1000, so we will be getting the answer as 0.5 kg. Now force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass we are knowing, that is 0.5 into 10, we will be getting 5 Newton. Now what they are telling? What acceleration will be caused by the same force? They are applying the same force on another body of mass 5 kg. After applying the same force, by what rate it will be accelerating, that we want to find out. Okay, so in next case, acceleration we are not knowing, but force we are knowing. So again, a dash is equals to f upon m dash. F is same. F is what? 5 Newton, what we have calculated previously. Mass in next case is 5, so it is 5 upon 5, that will be, it will get accelerated 1 meter per second square. Next one, a body is there of mass 500 gram which is initially at rest on by a force distance of 4 meter in 2 seconds. We have to calculate the force. So mass of the body, mass is 500 gram, that is again 0.5 kg. Over here we have to calculate force, but we cannot force because over here we are not knowing the value of acceleration. So of acceleration over here. So we will be using second equation of motion, that is s is equals to ut plus half at square. The body is initially at rest, means u is equals to 0. So equation will be only s is equals to half at square. Over here distance traveled we are already knowing. After applying the force, it is traveling a distance of 4 meter. So s is equals to 4. Try to understand, 4 is equals to 0 into 2 plus half a 2 square. Over here acceleration we have to find out. So over here what will happen? Half a into 2 square. So 1 2 will be getting cancelled. So it will be 4 upon 2. 4 upon 2 is what? 2. So acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Now we have to calculate f. F is equals to m into a. Mass we have already knowing it is 500 gram, we have converted into kg, so it is 0.5 kg. So 0.5 into 2, we'll be getting 1 Newton. Okay, thank you.